must be very careful when you're removing this cable. Push up the latch and take out slowly. When you have removed the first frame, use both hands to slide it to the other side, because I don't have a suction cup. This is very brittle. The reason why there are white spots because the reflector is actually plastic. It has been dislocated, so you need to glue it back and there will be no more white spots. All the reflectors are glued back in its place and let to dry for half an hour, so no more white spots.
Drag you in bed, trying to fix it with sex, or will I tell you I'm done with you? I know I'm complicated, kinda crazy, but will you stay the night? I know it's hard to trust me, but if you let me, I'll make it alright. I don't ever mean to take it out on you, and I don't want to hurt you, but I always do. I don't have a clue what's fucking wrong with me, but I'm always turning on the ones that love me, and I don't ever mean to. No, I don't mean to be cruel. Dropping the L's like there's nobody else, but there's somebody on my heart. I'm trying my best to fall in love with myself. Never thought it would be this hard. I know it's complicated and frustrating. You wish that I were fine. I know that it's a lot to ask of you to wait for me.
It could be interesting for you to know why there are so many layers. I'm going to hold this using one hand and with the touch. But this is the first layer. This is the second layer. The lights is split in two. This is the third layer. The light is split into four. This is the last layer. See how evenly the light is distributed? That's why you have so many reflectors. Evenly spaced out. Drops or fall, you get the white spots. Bring it back to remove the white spots. Thank you for watching.